Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the power supply unit for RTX 5090, and this power supply is from the Corsair. This video is not affiliated with the Corsair. We are just providing the information about the latest product from the Corsair. So let's see the best power supply from the Corsair for the RTX 5090. So Nvidia has already launched the 50 series RTX GPUs, and this requires a lot of power to run. To run the RTX 5090 GPU, it requires 575 watt of power. So we should have a good power supply into the system to run this GPU card. 50 series GPUs only need a single 12 volt 2x6 cable. If you want to calculate the requirement for your graphics card, then you can visit this URL and calculate using the calculator provided by the Corsair. So 5090 GPU is a powerful GPU and it requires a lot of power. So RTX 5090 system requires PCIe 5.0 into 16 slot for best performance. Then we should have a 1000 watt power supply or greater. So at least we should have 1000 watt power supply to run this. At least we should have 1000 watt power supply to run this RTX 5090 GPU card. RTX 5090 GPU card requires 575 watt of power supply, and here are the recommended power supply from Corsair. First is Corsair HX1500i. So this is the power supply from there, and you can see its specification here. So this is a good power supply, and wattage value is 1500 watt. Next is HX1500i. So this is the cable length, and the next power supply from Corsair is next power supply from Corsair for RTX 5090 is HX1200i. You will get 1600 watt with this power supply, and this is the configuration for HX1200i cable. So ATX cable 1, then EPS this cable is 2 cable is there, and all these power supply are modular power supply. Next power supply from the Corsair is CORSAIR RM1200x, and this is the image of the power supply, and wattage value is 1200 watt, and these are the cables with this power supply. Then these are the cable, and it is showing about the cable optimization. So these power supply can be used with the RTX 5090 graphic card. So in this video I showed you the graphics card from Corsair. In this video I showed you the power supply unit which is recommended for running the 5090 RTX GPU card. In next video I will show you more videos about the different products from different companies. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.